me and Chase Glenn get the special tour of Abuds'
almost
room,
spent 24
bro.
hours in here.
This is where all the filming happens. What's in the closet, bruh? Oh my gosh, bruh.
Bro's getting big.
Bro's getting big with those 1 pound
really-
weights, bro. Dude. This is where his dog sleeps. Look at all that body armor and prime, bruh.
You were born to be a queen.
Oh my gosh, bruh. He's got everything. A Christmas tree, too. Fidget spinners. And most importantly, the famous LED lights.
One other thing.
I think this is his Oculus. Or
No.
his fake Oculus.
Fake.
His VR. That's
Hashtag
insane.
fake.
He also has a keyboard. I don't think he's touched that thing in a while, though. Man, this is insane. He even has Beyblades. Look at that. Beyblade. This is awesome.